This is the first time doing my monthly bee check on my own, so we'll see what I'm going to find. Good sign. Crack on the lid. First time I remember that actually cracking. Next, I'm going to hopefully get a crack on this top. Wow, that's really good. It's really tight. That's a good sign. That's the tightest it's ever been. Woo! Good crack. Very good crack. All right, and this is the non-toxic 𝗟𝗲 treatment, which I'm removing. It's been 2 weeks. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. I'm now going to remove this beetle trap after pressing around the edges, because the beetles the beetles can sometimes hide under the rim of this trap. Wow, there's even propolis around the beetle trap. Never had seen that before. See this propolis? The bees just put propolis everywhere. This is the most propolis I've ever seen, which is a very good sign for the health of the hive. This outer frame is quite heavy. As you can see, all the glistening. There's so much nectar, and also pollen. You can see pollen interspersed. We've got a brood pattern here on this frame that looks nice and healthy versus before with 𝗟𝗲, who was not well. Her laying pattern was very haphazard. There's beautiful Queen Scarlet, moving quickly in her very healthy brood pattern on this frame as well. So things went really well on my first hive check. I checked for 5 things. I removed the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 treatment. I checked the beetle trap, and I checked for nectar and pollen, of which there was plenty, and we found Queen Scarlet looking healthy and laying in a good brood pattern. Wow, it's a really, really hot day, even though it's early in the morning, but I'm really glad it went well.